When that P0105 code pops up, it's your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right. But the big question is it a quick fix or the start of an expensive headache? Stick with me, because what you learn in the next few minutes could save your engine and your wallet. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today we're diving into the P0105 engine code. If your car has been acting strange because of it, don't worry. I'll walk you through the symptoms, the causes, and the easy DIY fixes to get everything running smoothly again. What is the P0105 code? P0105 is a general code that indicates an electrical problem or malfunction in the manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor circuit. Common symptoms. If your MAP sensor isn't reading air pressure correctly, you may notice hesitation when accelerating, the engine isn't getting the correct air pressure information and struggles to respond. Rough idling. Incorrect readings throw off the air-fuel mixture, making the engine shake or stumble. Stalling at stoplights. When the mixture is off, the engine can't maintain a steady idle. Poor acceleration or loss of power. The engine can't deliver the power you expect. Increased fuel consumption. Bad pressure readings force the engine to burn more fuel than necessary. What causes P0105? Several common issues can trigger this code. A dirty MAP sensor, a cracked or leaking vacuum hose, loose wiring or a damaged electrical connector, a clogged air filter restricting airflow, low battery voltage affecting sensor performance. DIY fix. Method A. Inspect and clean the MAP sensor. The MAP sensor is usually located on the intake manifold, sometimes right next to the throttle body. Remove the sensor carefully. Inspect it for cracks, broken pins, or damage. If it's dirty, clean it with electronic safe cleaner. If it looks damaged, replacing it is the best option. When installing the new sensor, make sure the O-ring is clean, seated properly, and not torn to avoid air leaks. Final step: plug in your OBD2 scanner, clear the code, and take the car for a short test drive. If everything runs smoothly, problem solved. If this video helps you out, hit that thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple car fix tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next one.